Hello, future mathematicians. Welcome to Classic Academy. So, today we will be doing factorization, grouping terms type 2. Example 1, you have x squared minus a plus bx plus ab. Now you have two terms. Unlike the previous question, you had three terms, but you can expand this expression in order to have four terms. So, what do we do? All right, so rescues. So it's going to be x squared. You can rearrange and write it as x a plus b plus ab equals to what? X squared. And then when you expand this one, minus x multiplied by a minus x multiplied by b, we know it's going to be minus a x minus bx plus AB. So now you group them. The first group is this one. What is the common factor on the first group? Is x. X is our common factor. Then we are left with x minus a. Then what is the common factor on the second group? Is going to be minus b. Minus b, and then we are left with x minus a. The idea here is that the one that is negative now becomes positive, the one that is positive now becomes negative. Then we take out the common factor. What is our common factor? Is x minus a, and then we are left with x minus b, fully factorized. Example 2. Example 2, you have x squared plus x 3 plus y plus 3y. You have to expand first. What do we have? We have x squared. When you expand this, is x multiplied by 3, x multiplied by y. X multiplied by 3 give me 3x. X multiplied by y give me xy plus 3y. Now you have four terms. You have to group them. First group. Then what do? What is the common factor on the first group? Is x. And then you are left with x plus 3. And then second group, what is the common factor? Is y. If you take out y, you are left with x plus 3. Then now you factor out what? X plus 3. If you take out x plus 3, what do you get? I get x plus 3 here, and then I'm left with x plus y, fully factorized. Example 3, you do the same thing. You have ak minus k minus a plus a squared. So do same thing here. So keys for the sound, and then is k a. Since k is the common factor, then here we only have k. It means we will replace it with 1. It's going to be negative 1. And then the common factor here is a. So this one you have to arrange it first. If you can see, you can write a squared minus a in order to see it properly. So it's k a minus 1. Then you take out the common factor is plus a, and then you are left with a minus 1. Then what is the common factor thereafter? Therefore, our common factor is going to be a minus 1 and k plus a, fully factorized. Last example. And the last example, what do you have? You have 2p x squared minus 3q x squared plus x squared. X squared, x squared, x squared minus 6p plus 9q minus 3. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you can group them in 3. These terms, the first 3. So the first 3, what do we have? What is it that is common in the first 3, I see x squared, and then I'm left with 2p minus 3q, and then x squared here is our common factor. It means here we are going to replace it with 1, it have a plus 1. And then on the blue, what is it that is common? On the blue, I will take the negative 6. Why don't you take just 6? Not 6, man, but negative 3. Because I want this one that is negative to look like this one. Be positive. So you take out negative 3. So your negative 3. And then if it was negative, it becomes positive because we take out negative. So it's going to be 2 because C is 6. Then if it was positive, it becomes negative. So it's negative what? Negative what? 3q. Then if it was negative again, it becomes positive. Now it's going to be positive 1. And then when we check, what is it that is common? So 2p minus 3q plus 1, 2p minus 3q plus 1 is our common factor. You take out that common factor, 2p minus 3q plus 1. And then we are left with x squared minus 3, not 9, minus 3. It is fully factorized. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe in order to be updated with new videos. Thank you so much.